Experience the most efficient system for delivering sulfur and phosphate to meet your crop's needs with Smart Nutrition MAP plus MST.
Bernard Tobin here at the Farm Progress Show in Boone, Iowa, over at Firestone Ag, now catching up with Bill Durivage. Bill, how's it going?
It's going well. A little warm, but it's good.
It's always warm, but hey, it's a great show, and it's always interesting when you got new tires to talk about. 3 new tires here. I'm seeing a familiar theme with these tires, Bill. More wear life and reducing fuel costs.
Yeah. So this is our brand new Bridgestone Ag line, complementing the current Firestone portfolio as part of Firestone Ag. These tires were originally designed and launched in 2014. The first ones designed and launched in 2014 in Europe to meet the needs of the European market for excessive roading. So more time on the road, where wear and ride comfort are particularly important. As farms here are growing in size, you're getting custom applicators like manure haulers, silage haulers, dairies that are just looking for more demanding needs out of their tires, particularly in the riding on the road with wear life and ride comfort.
So Bill, you got 3 new tires here. Let's run through them.
Sure.
Let's talk about the VT tractor, which you're leaning on right there.
Yes. So this is the VT tractor. This was the first design that was launched in 2014 in Europe. Its big claim to fame is the VF technology that it has. So VF technology is part of the tire rim standard, allows for 40% more load carrying capacity at the same inflation pressure, or reducing your inflation pressure to get a bigger footprint and reduce soil compaction and increase your traction performance, save fuel. It's got the Bridgestone lineup in general has a very robust design. It's very beefy lugs. It has a triple defense tread compound, which protects against stubble. It gives a better wear resistance, and then also protects the durability, especially as these tires are rated for D-speed rating up to 40 miles per hour. So,
tell me about the VX tractor.
So the VX tractor is the standard radial. So the VT is designed for high horsepower tractors. The VX is also designed for high horsepower tractors, but more for those customers that are doing even more time on the road. So they're very robust designs, rated for 35 psi. But the lug is even more robust and is wider, taller, and longer. So the VX has 5 to 10% more lug volume than the VT, and up to 20% more than the competition. That extra tread rubber and that better wearing compound overall combine to a 45% better wear life, or longer wear life, compared to the competition.
Right. Hey, tell us finally about the VXR tractor.
So the VXR is kind of the little brother. A lot of the same features like the triple defense compound, the involute lug design, and but it's tailored for low horsepower tractors. So you'll see it in up to a 34-inch rear size, really kind of targeting the lower horsepower tractor market. But one thing that's unique about the VXR is the wide tread radius. So we call it the ultra wide design. So on a typical tire, when you do like a 460 85 34 like we have here, where the 460 is the measure of the section width, we actually made the 460 the measure of the tread width as well. So we're trying to pack as much rubber as we possibly can into that tread, the tread circumference, to give you better wear volume and a bigger footprint overall.
Hey, let's wrap this up with a look at some of the technology that's going into these tires to sort of, to drive that performance. Tell me about triple defense rubber formulation.
So the triple defense rubber compound is a unique tread compound to the Bridgestone lineup. Again, it's protected against the 3 big things that impact the tread: your stubble damage, your wear performance that we talked about before, and then the durability overall. As we run at higher speeds, we need to mitigate the heat generation on those products.
Lug design, a lot of changes here.
So the big thing with the Bridgestone lineup is the involute lug. It's a patented lug design, kind of like an involute gear. Basically, what you see here is a curved surface on the leading face. And what that does is it increases the amount of surface area on the lug to soil contact as the lug comes into the soil. And then as it pulls through the soil, it keeps the tractive forces pulling the tractor forward. Once the lug leaves the footprint, it sort of lifts out or rolls out of the footprint rather than kicking out and disturbing the soil. And what that does is it reduces the amount of rolling resistance on the lug itself, which then in turn increases your traction and your fuel savings compared to typical ag tire design.
Now you're pushing a lot more volume into the lugs too, right?
Yes, yeah. There's The treads are deeper, they're wider, and they're longer, especially on the VX, which has up to 20% more lug volume than the competition. Again, which is used to deliver that extra 45% longer wear life of that product.
A final thing, S-line technology. Tell us about
So the VT design has VF technology. VF is an industry standard. You'll see it across Firestone as well as other competitor products. The unique thing with Bridgestone is that we have a longer wearing product. It's going to be in the field a lot longer, going through more deflection cycles. The S-line technology you can't see on the outside, but it's an internal mechanism in the bead area that changes the strain and stress distribution within the tire to allow the tire to deflect without ruining any of the integrity of the casing itself. So we're maintaining that durability that you need and the dependability even with those longer wear life.
Great stuff, Bill. Hey, some great tire stories here. Appreciate you making some time for Real Agriculture here at the Farm Progress Show.
Thank you very much, Bernard. Enjoy the show.